Welcome back to Ritual. Yo, in today's video, I got something special. I told you guys ahead of time what I was gonna have for you guys this week, and I got it right here in the box. Y'all already know. So if you watched the last video, the Jordan 1 University Blues, you know what's in this box. If you haven't watched that video, go back. Put the link in the description somewhere off in here. Yo, go check out that video. But with that being said, this one right here is something special for your boy. Something I really wanted. Let's get that out the way. Let's get this thing out this box. Man, I'm looking forward to seeing this. Oh yeah, before we get started, do your boy a favor. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. Turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. The channel's about car content, sneaker reviews, money, financial tips, as well as gaming. So if you're into any of those things, this is the channel for you. If you're watching this on Facebook, do the same thing. Hit that notification bell and follow the page. YouTube and Facebook, welcome. If this is your first time watching Rituals, welcome to the family. Now let's get to it. Y'all see what's on the box. It's Nike. Oh yeah, and if you read the description of the video, you already know what it is, but for my box nerds, here we go. That is the box, and bam! There we go, right there. Size 10. You see what it is? This right here is the Air Force 07. Popcorn, baby! These are the popcorns. I'm gonna hit you with some B-roll. Man, I wanted these so much. Yo, I wear a size 10.5 usually in Nikes. When I get my Air Force, I always size down half size because Air Force tend to run a little big. But let's get this thing off, man. Let's get this thing popping. Look at that wrapper. Don't that look like a popcorn box? Y'all know what it is, man. I really wanted these shoes. I've been eyeing these shoes ever since they popped up on the sneakers app. No pun intended, but I've been wanting these. Your boy was born in 1982. Your boy loves popcorn. Your boy served in the Air Force. You see it, right? Man, these things are beautiful. Look at that creamy butter leather. Ooh wee. Look at that there. That's butter. That's butter, baby. That's what they call butter. You got your gold tips on the laces. Oh yeah. You got your Nike embroidery on the back, popping out at you like some piggity pop cone. Look at that. Ooh, that look good. That look good. And then you got, what I just tell y'all? What year was I born in? What year? Yeah, I'm an OG, I guess, but what year I tell y'all? Ooh, wait. Fresh since 82. Just like your boy. I've been fresh since 82. Fresh out the womb. On the tag, you got your Nike Air on the tag, but it looks like a popcorn box as well. Man, these things are, whew. Inside the shoe, you got your shoe label. You got your size 10. But do you see that image? That's popcorn. You got popcorn in the shoe. Popcorn in the shoe. Let's see, can we get that? Think about it. I want y'all. Think it's glued in there. I ain't gonna pull it out, but there you go. You can see it. It's popcorn in the shoe. Then you got your shoe bottom looking like butter on the ground. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice creamy bottom. Nice buttery top. You got your white Nike symbol. going all the way across. This is some good leather. Good leather. I do see a couple discrepancies though on my shoe. You got one little I don't know, a little nick there or something. I don't know. You guys can see that. And then here, got a couple stragglers with the stitching, but good quality on that one. Besides that, let me see what the other shoe look like. Bruh. First off, I don't know who untied my shoes. Somebody wear my shoes. Let me see. Nah, the bottom is clear. The bottom is clean. Man, nobody better not wear my shoes. These came straight from Nike, by the way. Nike.com. They did not tie these up. I don't know why. And yes, I truly unboxed these shoes. So everything I'm seeing right now, you guys are seeing with me. So this is exactly what the shoe look like when it come out. You got your tip on the laces. They did not put a dewbray on here, man, which is weird. Maybe because of the tip laces, but I don't have my dewbray, man. They should have put a gold one there. Nike, you should have put a gold one right here saying Air Force One or popcorn, something like that. Or fresh since 1982. That stitching is hard. Yo, that's dope. And it's golden butter too. Man, that look good. Look at that. Nice detail on the shoe. Now this is something I wasn't expecting, man. This is something I was not expecting. They gave your boy a popcorn kernel. I didn't even see that on the website. That's dope. Yeah, it looked like somebody put their foot in my shoe though, man. Look at that. You see that creasing right there? I don't know if they tied it up too tight or what. But man, somebody at Nike. Was it you, Joe? Was it you, Joe? Joe, did you try my shoes? You try to resell my shoes, Joe? Let me stop playing. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? If you don't know, go look it up. It was in the news maybe 2 weeks ago. Nike VP. That's all I said about that. But anyway, the shoe is very dope. Air Force One. Your traditional Air Force One. Y'all know what it is. This was one of the first basketball shoes with Nike. That first shoe to have Nike Air unit in the sole, in the heel. Basketball shoe. This is a classic. Y'all know what it is. I'm not gonna waste y'all time any longer. I know y'all came here to see the on foot. Yeah, so on feet, these things feel great. Like I said, I size down a half size when I get my Air Force Ones. I typically wear a size 10.5 in Nike, but in Air Force Ones, I always size down half size, and this is a size 10. As you can see, the leather on this shoe is immaculate. Look at the butter. You can see the colors very, very well in the shoe. It's a creamy color and white. You got your red accents, and you got the popcorn kernel, man. That is so dope. The popcorn kernel, and you got your gold tips on the laces. That's dope. Wish they still would have had that dewbray though, but it's all gravy. Like I said, the leather, high quality leather, high quality. Very dope shoe. Very happy with my purchase. Thank you guys for once again watching Rituals. Greatly appreciate your support. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up button because YouTube loves that for the algorithm. And also, if you're watching this on Facebook, smash that thumbs up because Facebook loves that. And hit that bell so you can follow the page and be up to date when I post new content. I greatly appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for tuning in to Rituals. Y'all have an amazing, amazing day and stay blessed up. Peace and love, and we out.